Welcome back to our series on Learjet systems and maintenance. In this video, we're focusing on the control surfaces of the wing, the key to an aircraft's agility, the ailerons, flaps, and spoilers. These components are critical for controlling the aircraft and managing its lift and drag. First, let's identify the ailerons. These are paired control surfaces located on the outer trailing edge of each wing. They are the primary controls for the aircraft's roll and are designed to work in opposition. When one aileron goes down, the other goes up. You may also notice a small secondary surface on the aileron itself called a balance tab. This assists the pilot in moving the larger aileron by reducing the required force. Next, we have the flaps, which are large hinged surfaces located on the inboard trailing edge of the wing. Their main purpose is to increase lift and drag, especially for slow-speed flight. Finally, on the upper surface of the wing, you'll find the spoilers. These are movable panels that can pop up from the wing's surface to disrupt the airflow. They assist in roll control and are also crucial for slowing the aircraft down and reducing lift on the ground. When the pilot wants to roll the aircraft, they use the control wheel. This causes one aileron to move down, increasing lift on that wing, while the other moves up, decreasing lift on the opposite wing. This lift differential causes the aircraft to roll. For flaps, they are extended by the pilot, usually on takeoff and landing. As they extend, they increase the wing's camber and surface area, allowing the aircraft to fly slower without stalling. Spoilers have two main functions. They assist the ailerons in a roll by deploying on the upwing to kill lift, and they are deployed fully after landing to dump lift, helping the wheels stay firmly on the ground for more effective braking. These flight surfaces are absolutely essential for a Learjet's flight capabilities. Ailerons are the primary control for the roll axis, enabling the aircraft to turn. Flaps are crucial for low-speed flight, allowing the Learjet to take off and land on shorter runways and at slower, safer speeds. Spoilers enhance roll control and, crucially, act as a powerful braking tool on the ground, working with the wheel brakes to bring the aircraft to a safe stop. Now, let's cover the basic maintenance checks for these control surfaces, which are performed as part of a routine walk-around inspection. First, a visual inspection. Look carefully at the entire surface of the ailerons, flaps, and spoilers. Check for any physical damage like dents, cracks, torn skin, or loose rivets. Such damage can affect the aerodynamic performance. Next, manually check for freedom of movement. Gently try to move the control surfaces. There should be a small amount of play, but no excessive looseness or binding. Also look at the hinges, linkages, and actuators for any signs of hydraulic leaks, corrosion, or loose bolts. A malfunctioning actuator could lead to a control surface not working correctly. Finally, confirm full and correct movement. This is often done from the cockpit by cycling the controls. You would confirm that the ailerons move in opposite directions and that the flaps and spoilers extend and retract smoothly. Any binding, restricted movement, or damage must be reported to a certified mechanic. That wraps up our detailed look at the Learjet's wing flight control surfaces. Their complex interaction is what gives the aircraft its precise control and exceptional flight characteristics. Be sure to scan the QR code for more detailed information. See you next time!